Hello everyone! Right now we have two building blocks to be robot. Woohoo! And now let's start. Okay. First we have to pull it off. Pull it off. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So many colors. Okay. Building robot, and now first we have to building robot leg. Okay. Let's build robot leg. We have to use the orange to be legs, and let's find some color. Oh, where is it? Okay, we use this to be robot leg. Okay, that's big enough. Put it. Dun, dun, dun. And the yellow. Dun, dun. Okay. Legs. 2 legs. And now let's build robot body. Yellow, purple, pink, another yellow, one's orange, another orange, yellow, yellow. Oops. That's too big. Let's change. It's too big. Too big. Okay. Let's find some new legs. Oopsie. Okay, we found it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's it. Okay. Oh, yes, is another legs. Legs. Let's build robot arm. He has the long arm. Oops, wrong blocks. Robot body. Okay, his body nearly finished. like the purple, so we use the purple to be his head. Ta-da! Tem 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 tem. Okay, so now we use this girl toy to be a robot head. Which side do I have? Yeah, it's all done. Okay, here's the robot, girl robot, because her head is girl. So, okay guys, don't forget to try this at home if you want to build a robot or another robot, I guess. Okay, so now let's see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.